Welcome to the future of video.
VideoGen is revolution.
Hi again, welcome to the future of making movies. It's where creativity meets artificial intelligence, and let me tell you, it's pretty mind-blowing. Today, we're jumping into this awesome world of AI-generated movies. So, get this. There's this cool tool called VideoGen. Basically, you feed it a simple text idea, and bam, it turns it into a whole movie. Like, seriously, you can create cinematic magic with just a few taps on your keyboard. There are a number of text-to-video generative tools out there, and there are getting more. This VideoGen does not actually generate video from scratch, but using AI, it pulls together videos that match the script and compose a video. There are some features that are unique, such as blog-to-video, website-to-video, and article-to-video. These are variations from generating video from a simple script. This website also lets you turn text into images, just like Midjourney and Leonardo.ai do. Alright, let's not waste any more time. Time to jump into VideoGen and see what awesome video we can whip up. It has been raining a lot lately, so I'm thinking of making a video all about the stormy weather and tons of rain. I am going to simply create a short video for a cloudy day in a storm. Let's see here. I am going to generate something dramatic, just like in the movies. I hope this is going to be good. Wow, what's this? What surprise? My prompt turns into a movie script. That is something that I don't really expect. It looks like a short 1-minute video that has been written up. Let's press the generate button and see what happens.
The sky was dark and ominous, heavy clouds looming overhead like a foreboding omen. The air was thick with the promise of rain, the scent of petrichor filling my nostrils as I stood alone in the midst of the storm.
Great. The video looks pretty cool, and I really like the script. Let me add some background music to make this clip more dramatic. I think I need some sad music playing here. No, not that one. I need something more gloomy. Okay, the spirit landscape fits the bill.
The sky was dark and ominous, heavy clouds looming overhead like a foreboding omen. The air was thick with the promise of rain, the scent of petrichor filling my nostrils as I stood alone in the midst of the storm. The first drops began to fall.
Looking good. I think the last thing I want to do is remove the caption. Okay, let's put this together. Sit back, relax, and enjoy our movie.
The sky was dark and ominous, heavy clouds looming overhead like a foreboding omen. The air was thick with the promise of rain, the scent of petrichor filling my nostrils as I stood alone in the midst of the storm. The first drops began to fall, fat droplets splattering against the pavement with a resounding thud. I felt the cool wetness seep through my clothes, clinging to my skin like a second skin. Thunder rumbled in the distance, a deep, guttural growl that sent shivers down my spine. Lightning split the sky, illuminating the world in a blinding flash of white light before plunging it back into darkness. I stood there, arms outstretched to the heavens, welcoming the storm with open arms. The rain fell harder now, a torrential downpour that soaked me to the bone. I closed my eyes and let the water wash over me, cleansing me of all my sins and sorrows. In that moment, I felt alive. The storm raged around me, a tempest of emotion and power that mirrored the turmoil within my own heart. And as the rain continued to fall, I knew that I would weather this storm just as I had weathered all the storms before it. For I was strong, I was resilient, and I would emerge from the darkness stronger than ever before.
Do you like the video? For sure, I loved it. Final thing, let's check the pricing. The site allows you to try out the video generation, but you can't download the video until you sign up. For the starter plan, it's $5 a month, and it lets you create videos like the one you're watching, around 10 to 15. The Pro plan allows you to create around 50 to 60 videos. Check out this AI tool. The link to the site is in the show notes. Be sure to subscribe and hit like. Your support is greatly appreciated. Peace.